Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Before strawberry season ends, let's save them the easiest way. Today's video is a quick kitchen hack to help you preserve fruits, no preservative needed, so you can enjoy the flavors of strawberry even in the off season. We'll freeze them for smoothies, popsicle and many more, and also make a quick strawberry preserve for pancakes, drinks and even for the strawberry matcha. Let's do it. Here I have 8 packets of strawberries, 200 grams each. Add all the strawberries into a large bowl filled with fresh water. I'm saving 2 packets to use fresh. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of white vinegar followed by 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix it well and let it soak for 5 to 8 minutes. This step is really important as it helps remove dirt, pesticides and any bacteria, keeping the strawberries clean and safe to store. After that, remove the strawberries from the bowl and transfer them to a colander or another bowl. Rinse them thoroughly under running water and drain off all the excess water. Now I'm removing the leafy tops of the strawberries and cleaning them up nicely. Once that's done, I will divide them using a little more than half for the freezing and the rest to make a delicious strawberry preserve. For freezing, take a Ziploc bag and add all the strawberries. And let me tell you, the frozen strawberries can last up to 6 to 8 months without getting spoiled if stored properly. Once you add all the strawberries, seal it properly, and that is it. Just pop it into the freezer. Well, this is our family's favorite strawberry yogurt popsicle. We all enjoy them during summer and it's healthy, yummy and perfect for the summer season. So I love saving strawberries for our favorite treats. Now moving on to the next step, I already have 2 cups of chopped strawberries ready. Take a pan and add all the chopped strawberries, followed by 2 cups of jaggery powder. Mix it well and cook on medium heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. At this stage, the strawberries will release water. Now squeeze in the juice of 2 lemons and give it a good mix. I have used sugar in the past for the jams and preserves, but today I'm using jaggery powder. Don't worry about the taste, it turns out really delicious. But if you prefer, you can definitely use sugar instead. Keep stirring occasionally so it does not stick to the bottom. At this stage, you can use this as a sauce or compote, perfect to pour over ice cream or pancakes, but I'm going to cook it a little further to reduce more moisture. As a thicker preserves last longer, gently mash some strawberry chunks with a spatula and continue cooking for a few more minutes. Now you can see it has thickened to the perfect consistency. Turn off the heat and remove the pan. Let it cool completely. You can even spread it on a plate to cool faster. Once cooled, transfer it into a clean, dry airtight jar. Using an airtight jar is very important as it keeps the preserve fresh for longer and extends its shelf life. Once you add the preserve, seal it and store it in the refrigerator. And there you go, your homemade strawberry preserve without any preservatives is ready. A quick tip for you all, if you're using it for the pancakes, just take a spoonful and add 2 spoons of water. Mix it well and pour it over the pancake. It tastes amazing. And you can do the same for the strawberry matcha. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Do try out and let me know your thoughts in comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such recipes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in next one.